This is the waterfall or the water fountain, and this is the spire, the pyramid, or it's also called a phallic, and it's in the shape of a human male reproductive organ. And this is the all-seeing eye also. So here we have the pyramid. We have the water fountain, which contains the marine spirit, and this is in Washington, D.C. If you look closely at the water, look at the sea spirit, look at the eyes, one of the demons, the marine spirit. So that's the eye. So these water fountains are water demons called marine spirits. And this is in Washington, D.C. Next to the spire, the monument, the Washington Monument, with the all-seeing eye. So look closely again. Look the mouth of one of the demons right here. And the eyes of the marine spirit. The eyes of the marine spirit. Okay, brothers and sisters. So do not toss any coins in these water fountains. Tossing coins and making a wish is praying to these demons. So, children of Israel, do not toss any coins or make any wish with these marine spirits, with these water fountains. Okay, brothers and sisters, come out of her, my people, land of false spirits, devils, Sodom and bondage. Hallelujah.